When I click on the red button, which is right here, Clips will record, and I will see up at the top my recording time. You know it's recording when you're holding the red button in and you see that time clicking away. When I release the button, it stops recording. I can go into the star, which is underneath, trying to get there so you can see underneath the red button is a star, and in that star I can select obviously filters, but right now I want to show you the speech bubble, and then you can do live titles. So if I choose a live title, I'm just going to pick one, and it says dictation disabled, you'll need to go to your settings, turn on enable dictation, click enable dictation, and then simply click back to Clips. Choose one of the live titles and click back. When I click the red button, I should see my words showing up underneath or wherever you add your live title. So I can talk about something and it dictates my words onto the screen. When you're done adding stickers or changing your filter and playing around in here, you can click the share button, which is down in the corner here, and then you can save your video, which is the middle one, the top one. Notice you can also send your video to iMovie, where you could do some work on it if you wanted, and you can also send it to Seesaw or your Google Drive. So there's lots of options you have here. I'm for now just going to save my video.